Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Shade Tree Alex. Today's episode, we'll be fixing 2014 Dodge Ram. We're going to change it with oil. Now, this Dodge truck has a 3.6 liter engine into it. Very common engine. This engine is thrown into multiple vehicles, such as the Journey, the Avenger, the Ram, and multiple other vehicles, such as Jeep. It's a world engine. Change the filter. You're going to need a 24 millimeter socket. We're going to have to take off this valve cover hose. Okay, now that I got myself a little step up in here. Okay, what you want to use is a shallow 24 millimeter or a shallow 15/16. I tried with the deep, it won't work. There's no room. Sometimes I live my life one turn at a time. Sometimes I live my life 1/4 turn at a time. Till we start getting there. I know when I start getting third turns, I'm doing pretty good. Home stretch. Okay. That's loose enough. I think I can just grab that. Exactly. Wow. Wow, come on. How many more threads? Oh my god. Look at that. So, this oil filter could have been changed a long time ago. The oil filter number for this is TG11665. If anybody is curious, it's a Fram filter. Comes with a new filter, an O-ring gasket. I'm going to flip it on and take our oil filter, stick it back up. Now we're going to replace our filter. Get that hand snug. Go for the tightening. Next, you're going to stick an oil pan underneath. Drain bolts right there on that pan. Drain bolts right on that pan. $17mm. Okay, so I'm just about dirt dry, and I'm going to replace this oil plug. nice and hand tight. Okay. Now let's remove that pan and go up top. Next, I'm going to fill this truck up with 6 quarts of oil of 5W20. I'm using the synthetic. I preferably like it better than conventional oil. Yeah, I see that it makes the ticking in the motors last. Yeah. When your motor starts ticking, it seems to be on a higher mileage. When the motor should be changed of its oil. You don't get that ticking noise until later. Using the synthetic. Which means you can go a little bit later on your oil changes. I still like changing them at 5,000 miles. Though. The average person drives between 12 and 15,000 miles a year. If you change your oil at least twice a year, you're covering the basics. You want to put my calendar back on? Check the level of the oil. It's full. Start it up and check for leaks. This will conclude our video on the 2014 Dodge Ram, how to do an oil change. 3.6.